Global Sustainable Tourism Council, which is referred to as GSTC, is a global standard-setting body to develop sustainable tourism standards for the world. The sustainable tourism standards that the GSTCs developed came after wide consultations with a large stakeholder groups, and all of them together were put together, and after a long process, the GSTC criteria was developed.
The Association of Tourism Officers of the National Capital Region has reached out to the regional office for this kind of a workshop because they know and they understand that National Capital Region stewardship for tourism is not just a one local government endeavor, but a collective endeavor of all local government units in the region. This world-class training will enhance the capacity of our local government unit with the needed skills and training to ensure that their destination is ready for the post-pandemic recovery.
The standards that GSTC has developed hopes to take care of all these anomalies that are happening in the industry and direct everybody towards a sustainable tourism pathway and start the journey.
Hi, I'm Ponchi Santos, head of the Marikina City Tourism Office, and I'd like to sincerely thank the Department of Tourism for holding this Destination Stewardship Seminar, and to enjoy it and utilize it and show just how important it is to every human being.
We congratulate the DOT NCR for partnering with CB Comor for a very comprehensive discussion on the sustainability of destinations in the Philippines.
Destination Stewardship Masterclass is a globally recognized workshop training course for local government officials, particularly our tourism officers, that looks at the needs of the current tourism industry, its demands, balancing it with the needs of the destination and its communities.